looking for a delicious and healthy recipe for a special night? Look no further. Today, I'll be sharing a mouth-watering trout recipe that is sure to impress. Trout is not only incredibly tasty, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. High in omega-3 fatty acids, trout promotes heart health and helps reduce inflammation. Additionally, trout is an excellent source of protein and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and gather the following ingredients. You will need fresh trout fillets, lemon slices, garlic cloves, fresh dill, salt, and pepper. Begin by seasoning both sides of the trout fillets with salt and pepper to taste. Next, place a few lemon slices on top of each fillet, followed by a sprinkling of minced garlic and fresh dill. Once seasoned, carefully wrap each trout fillet in aluminum foil, ensuring they are securely sealed. The foil will help lock in the flavors and moisture, resulting in a beautifully tender and flavorful trout. Now, place the foil-wrapped trout fillets on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven. Cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the trout is opaque and easily flakes with a fork. While the trout is baking, take a moment to appreciate the tantalizing aroma filling your kitchen. Once cooked, carefully unwrap the foil to reveal the perfectly cooked trout fillets. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill and serve alongside your favorite side dishes. The tender and flaky trout, infused with the zesty flavors of lemon and dill, is simply irresistible. As you savor each bite, remember that you are also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Whether it's a romantic dinner for two or a special gathering, this trout recipe is a winner. So, why not treat yourself and your loved ones to a memorable meal that is not only delicious but also nutritious? Try this mouth-watering trout recipe tonight and enjoy the incredible health benefits it has to offer. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips.